Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a simple but powerful tool called Auto File Organizer. If your download folder or desktop folder look like messy, don't worry, with just a few clicks you can clean up everything and organize files into categories and remove empty folders as well as. Let's start.
So what does File Organizer do? It takes your messy folders and sorts everything into neat category folders like images, documents, video, audio, scripts, design, and old folders. It can skip certain file types or folders if you want to keep them untouched. It has a preview mode so you can double check before applying any changes, and even it removes empty folders automatically. Basically, it's your personal folder cleaning assistant. Let me explain with the example now.
First select that you can browse the folder or you can copy and paste that folder location. For the first example, I'm not going to use skip extension and skip folder. Just hit a preview run before organize. See here, in the files by category, inside the design folder 5 files mode, inside the video 5 files mode, like that same way it was mentioned. So now I'm just hit a organize button. Within 2 seconds it was organized properly. Let me explain, go inside. In the design folders I have this kind of files, a blender file, and then a browser file, and then OPJ. Like the same way it was moved to all the things. In the PNG images is there, also in the JPEG everything is there inside.
Yeah, let me do with this skip extensions. Just paste that folder location, and then I don't want to move that text file, so it will be keep them untouched, as well as that folder name that is also need to be untouched. So that it a preview run. Before last time it was not showing any skipped files, now it was showing 2 files. Just hit a organize button. Now see the results. The version file and then Premiere left like that before itself, but other folders are arranged properly. This way you can use them to keep the files untouched.
Now let me go for a organize for the desktop. So first you can have the option to clear log as well as. So now I'm going to browse that for the desktop. Just this here location. See, this is a desktop location with messy all the files. So now I'm going to leave that L and K file, that is that shortcut files for the apps, and then I don't want any folders in the desktop. So it a preview. So it have lot of files. So it's see 3 files only untouched, and then let me organize. Able to see.
A very important note that I want to mention here: please don't open a file or a folder which is inside the folder which you want to clean. So before applying the organize button, just close all the files and the folders which are inside the folder which you want to organize. Please close and then use, otherwise it will be creating some errors. It will not move file properly. So please note on that. Where you can get this tool? You can grab the tool from the link given in the bottom of the description. You can use the link to go to the Gumroad page and download it. Then it's ready to use offline. Thanks for watching. Hope it will save some time for you. Thank you.